Welcome to HypnoCloud. My name is Elyada. Today we're focusing on letting go of negativity, releasing tension, frustration, or any emotions you're ready to let go of. This session will guide you into a calm, clear state of mind, helping you reset emotionally and feel lighter. Close your eyes now and take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel your body softening with every breath. Inhale calmness and exhale negativity. Notice the rhythm of your breath, steady, smooth, and natural. With every exhale, imagine releasing heaviness, stress, or tension from your body. As you breathe, become aware of your body. The weight of your arms, the position of your legs, the stillness in your chest. Feel yourself relaxing, fully supported by the surface beneath you. Let go of the day, the worries, the noise. This is your moment to reset and reconnect. Now imagine a wave of relaxation flowing over you. From the top of your head to the tips of your toes, this wave washes away tension and leaves behind a sense of calm and clarity. Each breath takes you deeper, creating space for release and renewal. Now, picture yourself standing by a beautiful, clear stream. The water flows gently, sparkling in the sunlight. In your hand, you hold a stone. This stone represents the negativity you've been carrying: worries, anger, frustration, or self-doubt. Perhaps it's something that has pushed your limits or caused unnecessary stress. Feel the weight of the stone in your hand. Notice its size and texture. Acknowledge its presence without judgment. It's here, but it doesn't define you. While it may feel familiar to hold it, imagine how freeing it will be to let it go. Step closer to the stream. Feel the cool breeze on your skin. Hear the soothing sound of the water. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, release the stone into the stream. Feel the relief now. Watch as it sinks into the water and is carried away by the current. The stream flows effortlessly, taking with it everything you no longer need. Watch as the negativity dissolves and disappears completely. With every breath, you feel lighter, freer, and unburdened. Now imagine the stream's clear, refreshing water flowing toward you. Surrounding and filling you with positive energy. It cleanses your mind, your heart, and your entire being. Each breath leaves you brighter, clearer, and more at ease. You've done it. You've released the negativity and allowed positivity to fill your space. As you stand by the stream, notice the world around you. The sunlight, the trees, the fresh air. This moment is yours, filled with peace and possibility. You are no longer weighed down by negativity. Instead, you are filled with clarity, calm, and renewal. From this point forward, releasing negativity becomes second nature. You simply let it flow out of you, keeping your space clear and calm. You hold the power to reset and recharge, no matter what arises. Let's anchor this transformation with 3 affirmations. Repeat them silently or out loud. I release negativity and embrace calm. I am light, clear, and at peace. I choose positivity and let go of what no longer serves me. Feel these affirmations settling deep within, guiding you toward clarity and peace in every moment. Take a deep breath in and exhale fully. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently, bringing your awareness back to the present moment. When you're ready, open your eyes, feeling refreshed, light, and free. Thank you for joining me today. This is Elyada with HypnoCloud.